Ồ, xích lên nha. Tự nhiên nó bển nó chạy qua.
Thằng này đúng
rồi. And maybe the people who made it.
Go! Come on.
Jesus,
if you cut me off, I fucking go.
You drew a picture of a dog and it was quite good, I thought.
Let me see.
You don't have it? No, I mean, I wrote to Fred, wow, you're
What are you
really
doing?
You're a good artist. So we both support each other in the arts.
I see.
And so, hey, why don't we have there?
Fuck, dude. Oh, fuck, man. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. One six. G77. 164 G77.
It's like, huh? It's like, oh shit, asshole!
I put a couple of snacks in there. Jeez!
That was fucking close.
Oh my god, that was close.
Okay, well, that's definitely going on our recorder.
Whose fault would it have been? Us.
Jesus Christ.
Being able to clear the puck, I shouldn't say normally, but clear the puck with control. They ice the puck again, so it gives Dallas another chance.
Whoa, that guy just crashed. That guy crashed behind us.
Rope hits.
Yep.
Really doesn't win it clean.
Going
backwards,
yeah, he's backwards.
Tries to move it backward, but instead it sort of just hits his skate and legs.
That guy just fucking crashed.
Dolorcito de cabeza, pero yo creo que... Y dolorcito de cabeza, pero yo creo que... Y se acaban de chocar.
Through this where you have to just take bad offers. Here's a $2 Panera order for 2.5 miles. Not taking that either. Let's see what else we can get. Here's the next order. For some reason, it just gave me a Portillo's order, even though I already have an order right now. $9.50. Wait, this is Portillo's. 50 cents. Wait, this is Portillo's. 50 cents. Wait, is this Portillo's? What?
Fucking
dumbass. You know what a yield sign is?
And the word fire for your chance to score a pair of tickets to the show in August.
Well, fuck.
South Beach Street. I was so focused on the movie. Continue for 1 mile. And then we're in film festivals, and now I'm in marketing distribution mode. That I actually taken some time to just process what happened. But yeah, it was amazing. And then the second night I was sitting next to my brother. And the second night.
What the hell's your problem? B-O-8 G-A-H